started some fucking weirdest Monster Hunter game for Nintendo 3DS, and whoa, look at that! It's in fucking Ching Chang language. I don't understand shit, but at least I can read Nazi language, so that's good. Where the dinosaurs at? Whoa, wait, that's not a dinosaur. Wow, they're midget dinosaurs. Damn. Wait, that's a weird ass looking baseball. I know how's it called? Football, yeah. What is that? What? Oh, would you look at that? It's my mom. I did not say that. I'm sorry, mom. I love you. Why that fucking cat though? Oh, fucking Jude. Fucking Jude the egg. Damn. Oh, action's going on. Oh shit. What the fuck's actually happening? This is fucking retarded. Wow, he jumped. He's gonna kill himself. Anquist, don't do it. Anquist! Anquist! Mr. Dinosaur, you successfully committed murder. Oh shit, never mind. Damn, he can fly. Fucking Charizard, dude. Pokemon Go, woo! Oh, look at them. It's the fucking... We're in Texas. Hey. Hi, Texas. Where's the incest at? Man, I've been sitting here for like 2 minutes. This shit is still going on. Like, I don't even care. Who are these people? And why is this fucking Charizard so small? Doesn't make any sense. When is this gonna end? If this is not gonna end, then end me at least, please. Whoa, what's that fucking stone? You see, like, an ancient Power Ranger or some shit. What the fuck? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, fucking water. Sick. So sick, dude. Ooh. Damn. Monster hentai. Woo. Nice. Nice. Oh, stories. Yeah, same. Monster hentai stories. Hentai. Nice, nice. Fucking finally.